Hi, my name is Ray. I just closed my first virtual deal, which netted me about $2,300. I just want to give a big thank to my mentor, Lauren Hardy, who is queen of virtual wholesaling. She has helped me a lot along the way, and she gave me guidance, and she's just really genuine to give advice. And trust me, she will hold your feet to the fire until you get your first deal done. So I think to be able to be a success in this business, you have to have two things. One is you have to have a mentor who really knows what they are talking about. There are a lot of people who claim they are a good mentor, but they have never done a deal. But Lauren has done a lot of virtual deals in a lot of different markets. So you can trust her on her specialty to help you. And also, there are a lot of people try to teach you something, but Lauren just tell you what you need to do to get your first deal. And secondly, to be a really successful is you have to take a lot of actions. Nothing comes for free. If you want a overnight success, that's probably not the case. But if you're really a hustler and if you really want to get things done, with the help of Lauren Hardy, your potential is unlimited. So thank you again, Lori. Without you, I don't think I can get this done. Thank you.